Hello guys, this is your InkRyuu and you are watching my art YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you how to draw a anime face like a pro. If you are a beginner, you just need to watch this video to draw an anime face like a pro. Without wasting any more time, let us begin. First, you need to understand the basic guidelines of a face. We can draw the face by a method called Loomis method. I am drawing the basic structure of the Loomis method and explaining the structure of it so you can draw anyone's face. It doesn't matter it is a human. You can draw anyone by this method. Let us begin. In the first, you need to draw a circle. Do not need to use a compass or anything. You just need to draw it roughly because it is a rough structure. And then add a vertical line inside the circle which is cutting in half. Then you need to draw a horizontal line in between the circle which cuts the circle in two halves. After that you need to draw a square inside the circle just like this. I will explain later where and how do you place the proportions of the face like jawline, eyes and mouth and where to place it. Just keep practice this Loomis method. This should look like this. I have drawn the same structure in the Ibis Paint tab to explain you more efficiently. This should be the forehead line and this should be the eyes line and beneath the eyes line is the nose line. Now we will place the chin line. The distance from the forehead to the eyes and eyes to the nose is the distance between the nose to the chin. We have drawn the chin line there and this is how it looks. Now I have drawn the same structure in my notebook also. Now I will place the position of the eyes. You need to draw a line beneath the center line and mark the position of the eyes. Just like this. Always remember that there should be a gap of third eye in between the two eyes. Now I am drawing the eyebrow line just above the center line like this. Now I am placing the ears. The ear should be aligned in between the eyebrow line and the nose line, just like this. And there we go. Our basic structure of the face is completed. I am using this reference of Gojo for my drawing. Now I will draw the jawline of the character first. The jawline should align with the square line and it should look same on the both sides like this. Now attach both the lines to the chin line and there you go, your jawline of the character is perfectly made. And yes, if my drawing is not very good, so please don't judge it because I am also in my learning stage. Now I am drawing the ears. The ears should align from the eyebrow line to the nose line and it should look same on the both sides just like this. After that I will draw the neck of the character. And then after that I will draw the mouth on the mouth line according to my reference. After that I will draw the nose on the center line and after the nose I will draw the mask which Gojo wears to cover his eyes. After that I will draw the eyes of the Gojo according to the guideline structure that I made just like this. Now I will draw the iris inside the eye. I keep fixing my mistakes in between the drawing. Now I will add details in the ear on the both sides. Now I will add some details in the eye and make eyelashes. Now the hair part comes. Many people think that hair is very hard to draw, but it is not. You just need to understand your reference and draw and draw hair in the basic simple shapes just like I am doing. After that you will add some mm, details in the hair. Now I am drawing the clothes of the Gojo. After the clothes I will add some details in the mask. Now the inking part comes. Inking is not very hard to draw, and so that's why I have speed up the video. After the inking I will do some basic shading in the hairs, just like this. Now I will shade in the mask by the method called hatching. I use hatching method in my most of the pen drawings. And yes, I have mistaken up in the eyes of the Gojo, and I can't erase it because it is a pen drawing, and it seems like now Gojo have dark circles. Now I have shaded up the neck portion of the Gojo, and now I am shading in the clothes. Now the clothes portion is almost completed. Leave a like if you like the drawing and the tutorial of. And yes, my drawing is now completed. If you want any further more tutorials on any extra topic or any other character except Gojo, so you can comment down below. You can check my shorts. I have also drawn many other characters and uploaded it on shorts. Thanks for watching and bye bye.